Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable earthquake alerts on your Android phone. Whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Pixel, or another model, you need to go ahead and open your app settings on your phone. Then after scroll down and find the option of safety and emergency. You can also use the search bar in the top right and search for safety and emergency and access this option right here. From here, you need to find the option of earthquake alerts, which is between the option of wireless emergency alerts and unknown tracker alerts. Go ahead and select it. Now make sure that the toggle beside the earthquake alerts highlighted in red color is turned on. Here you'll see information about earthquake alerts, which are typically for magnitude 4.5 and above, detected by shake alert. If the setting is toggled off, simply turn it on. Additionally, you can also go ahead and select the option of wireless emergency alerts right here. Ensure that alerts for extreme threats, severe threats, and public safety messages are also enabled. This is crucial because if an earthquake isn't detected by the dedicated earthquake alert system, other emergency alerts like those for tsunamis or other related emergencies can still inform you of potential dangers. So make sure that the alerts at the very top of this section is turned on if it isn't already. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.